Just told the cats off for using the chair as a scratching post. And that dog's just looked at me as though to say, would you just chill out, Mum? And now they've gone back to tormenting the bed. Oh, Toby's going to steal your bone. Tobinsky. No, you stay there. I was talking to the cat. Remind me to hoover. Sutty, I've still got my eye on you, young lady. Get on your chair, Hamish. No, I've told you to stay on your chair. I'll go in the kitchen, didn't I? Come on your chair. Today, mister. That's what I thought. Stay on your chair. She thinks that I can't see her behind that buffet with her paws on the bird cage. There, yes. I can see you. My mother. Stop it. You are one violent pussycat, you. You're leaving him alone. Because I'll put him next to me on the sofa. And you'll be stuck there by yourself. I can see you. So you can stop it. I know he's a good girl, Kiki. Yeah. A big girl. You're a good girl, you. Just these sods. And there's the birdie. Casper. Casper. Oh, look, so he wants to talk to me now. Well, no, because you're nasties. Casper. Excuse me. He spent 2 hours screaming in that kitchen. And when I bring him in here, he doesn't open his bloody pecker, does he? Yeah. Look at you. Look at you. Look how ugly you are. Purring and anything. Look how ugly you are. So ugly. So ugly. So ugly. So ugly. So she's so ugly. And so ugly. Meow. Meow. Claws, woman. Claws. Get your ass kicked.